Introducing iGreen Tourist Gateway to eco-friendly traveling to reduce carbon footprint by Sada.online. It is for travelers who care nature as we insist eco-friendly hotels, transport by CNG, etc.
The offering covers your holiday planning, hotel booking, flight transport and more.